Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Nick Pro channel analytics. Nick Pro has uploaded 471 videos. He now has 6.23 million subscribers with a total view of 1,706,830,046 views. He's from Canada, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since September 16, 2010. The grade he got is A-, and his Social Blade ranking is at 1,414th. The subscriber ranking is 1,950th and then video view rank is 2,719th. He ranked at 39th in Canada and 632nd in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Nick is around 11.6k with a daily view of 3,064,385. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 3 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $12,000. Then, monthly income will be $360,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $198,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $2,376,000. That is how much Nick Pro earns from YouTube.